Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside this tight range. So for the last few days, gold was under pressure because of the easing tension between US and China. But when gold showed this up move from 3120, 3125 area, gold made us believe that the correction is over and gold is going up. But again, we can see that gold is trading inside a range. So things have been a little crazy. Gold is always crazy, okay? But things have been a little bit extremely crazy for the last few days. So be careful if you're new to the beginner, because we do not have a clear direction in the market right now. You can see gold slips on optimism over Russia-Ukraine talks. Gold dropped below 3320 per ounce on Tuesday, as optimism over a potential ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine curbed demand for safe haven assets. Gold edges lower on possible technical correction. So my dear friends, you must be you must remember that when the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, gold was super bullish. So if things go well between Russia and Ukraine and ceasefire is declared, then we may see downside. But as of now, there is no confirmation yet, and technically we can see the market is inside the range, so we need to deal accordingly. As we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that the current range of gold is 3250 and 3100. This is the range of gold right now. If gold wants to go down for further correction for a downtrend, then gold needs to break 3100. Then only we can expect that, okay, finally we have some more correction. And to continue the upside, gold needs to break 3250. Then only we can say that gold is bullish again, because technically market will be forming higher highs. So if market breaks 3250, 3252 area during the US session, then we can look for a breakout and we can buy above it, because market is unable to cross this area, no doubt. But you can see the market has been testing or trying to break the level for quite some time, and market doesn't like common things, and the level has been tested 4 to 5 times already. Market has formed a higher low here. So next time if market goes up, there is a possibility that market will be able to break 3250, 3252 area. So during the US session, if we see a breakout above 3250.52 area, we can look for a buy above it if you see that market is going up with a big green candle. Otherwise, just avoid. And chances of market going below 3100 is very less, because at this moment while recording the video, I do not see any possibility of market going below 3100. So that's not discussed. But in case market goes down, because market is full of surprise, then keep in mind that yes, market, it will be a technical confirmation that gold is bearish. And for more trading opportunities, we need to switch to a lower time frame. So we will be discussing the opportunities on the 15 minutes chart. So in a sideways market like this, the best trading opportunities are the buy at support, sell at resistance. But we are switching to a lower time frame to find more opportunities. So it clearly shows that the trading opportunities that we are about to discuss right now are not very strong. Why? Because they are from the lower time frame. Higher time frame, high reliability; lower time frame, low reliability. You must be knowing this very well. So where are the next trading opportunities then? So whatever we have on the chart right now are strictly for day traders only, because for swing traders and position traders we need a direction which we don't have right now. So we are on a 15 minutes chart. During the day, if market drops, the first support is around 3195 area. Around 3195 you can expect a bounce of 40 pips. If you are thinking, Avilas, only 40 pips, keep in mind that you need to respect the market condition. When the market was bullish or when the market was going down, we were scoring hundreds of pips on a single trade. But when the market is not in a position to deliver, then 40 pips is also decent enough. We need to be flexible as a trader. So 3195 is the first support where we can look for a bounce of 40 pips. Then we can look for second bounce around 3190 and 3181. 80. These are the three levels where we can look for a bounce of 40 to 50 pips as a day trader, but do not place buy positions blindly. When market will hit the level, observe the market for 1 to 2 minutes. If you see that market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, then only go for a buy. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And technically, the logical support levels are 3170, 31665, okay, and 3160, 3155. These are the two levels or zones in the market where we can look for a buy position. These are the logical levels, and 3195, 9080 are very weak levels. So in simple words, we have 5 levels right now: 3195, 3190, then 318180. These are the 5 levels on the chart of gold, but these 5 levels are weak levels, okay, because they are from the middle of the chart. But still, we have forcefully, okay, we have extracted them because we love to trade on gold. Otherwise, they are weak levels, not very strong. If market remains like this, then only you can expect a bounce. Otherwise, okay, on the chart of gold, okay, 317065, 316065 are the only logical levels because they are the support levels because of price rejection from market earlier. And we have derived this level, okay, with the help of Fibonacci. You can see, okay, this is the Fibonacci we are using here. This is how we have derived 3180, 319095 area, okay. No other levels. This means these are just Fibo levels. And you can see I have also drawn 2 red lines here. Okay, so these are the buy opportunities. And if market goes up, because right now we can see that gold is not very volatile. Okay, if market stays like this, okay, then as a day trader we can look for a quick selling opportunity around 3221 and 3227. How much we can expect initially here? Here also you can expect 40 pips. After 40 pips, if you see the selling pressure is really high, then you can target for 80 pips. But as of now, the market is not very trending. Direction is not very clear, so be careful. Okay, so 3221, 3227 are the 2 selling opportunities from the Fibo. Okay, if market goes up and shows price rejection from above. Here also again, do not place the sell position blindly. For example, if you see that there is a sudden recovery on the chart of gold and market is standing at 3221 with a big green candle, then do you think you should go for a sell? Obviously no. Use your common sense. Okay, so these are the 2 levels on the chart of gold. You can go for a sell as a day trader if market shows price rejection from above. How much you need to wait? Wait for again 1 to 2 minutes on the 15 minutes chart. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell opportunity. Okay, and another risky, okay, sell is below 3204.50. okay, if market breaks this level, then you can go for a risky sell or sell cap of 30-40 pips around this area as well. Okay, be careful because, okay, after breaking this level, market will be heading towards 3200, which is a round number. Okay, so market may try to take support around this area. After 40 pips, exit strictly after selling below 3204.50. But one thing I would like to add here is that 3204.50 is a high risk level. If you're not in a position to take any risk right now or high risk trades right now, then this is not the ideal trade for you. And this is the economy calendar. We can see that today we do not have any major news. So during the US session, if market gets volatile also, it will be just technical. Okay, and as we have already discussed, my dear friends, we have seen also that the market is sideways. Market is looking for a direction right now, and in a market condition like this, okay, the trading opportunities or the good trading opportunities are very limited. We can look for trading opportunity only around the levels, but sadly, okay, we love to trade on gold and trading opportunity limited, so we have switched to the lower time frame for the levels, and these levels are not very strong because they are from the lower time frame. But still, if market stays like this, we can go for 40 to 50 pips around the support areas. But yes, 3160, 316055, 317065 seems to be good support levels. And if market goes up, okay, again we have another level from the middle of the chart with the help of FIFO. If market shows price rejection from above, we can try to score 40-50 pips around 3221, 3227 as well. Okay. So be careful, my dear friends. If market gets crazy during the US session, then you need to be following the trend of the market. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.